everybody, welcome to the Riverside Learning Center ICANN platform. We're glad that you chose to be part of this journey of transformation. The ICANN platform is a systems approach which is a curated set of processes that have been practiced at Riverside for the last 20 years. They have been sorted under the 6 pillars of personal and professional development, curriculum, community, parent partnership, administration, and leadership. These processes are used to help transform schools that are interested in looking at the humane culture. So what does the typical pack look like? So once you enter the pillar, you will see the landing page of all the processes under that particular pillar. For example, if you get on the personal and professional development pillar, you will find that the purpose of the pillar is really about how every member of the community is valued and does work of value. You will be introduced with a small little introductory video that shares the rationale and the purpose behind each process. You will also find research that has been synthesized about why personal and professional development helps in building humane values. You will then be able to see the menu of processes which will then be customized for your training. Whilst the processes are used by the RLC to train, for our flagship programs such as the ICANN Empower and the ICANN Early Years program, schools also receive a login to be able to access the process. Every process once you log in will all go through the Feel, Imagine, Do, Share framework. Every pack throughout the platform has the same standard framework where every process starts with the why, that is the feel, the idea of empathy. So you will view the video that talks about what was the reason for why this process was created. You will then encounter the Imagine for the preferred scenario, the decision making for the solution. You will see the insights that shape the design of the final process. Then comes the Do video, where the entire narrative, where it takes you through the journey, chunking in the what and the how of the process. Why this is important is that there are times when schools cannot come to Riverside. So this becomes a very powerful tool to help schools to witness what we are discussing. Finally, you will meet practitioners who talk about the FAQs and the impact of the process. And every pack houses all the resources that Riverside is used when implementing the process. So thank you for choosing Riverside Learning Center, and let's start training.